Welcome to another episode of the Salesforce BA Hub podcast. Today, we will discuss the best practices every aspiring Salesforce business analyst should master to succeed in their certification journey. We'll explore 4 essential topics, providing a comprehensive understanding of what it takes to excel in your role and ace the certification exam. Best practice number 1. Learn the customs of your customer. In any business environment, understanding your customer's customs and practices is crucial to building strong relationships and effectively addressing their needs. As a Salesforce business analyst, you need to research your customer's industry, market trends, and competitors. Familiarize yourself with their organizational structure, culture, and decision-making process. Understand their unique pain points, preferences, and expectations. Real-world scenario. Imagine you're a Salesforce business analyst working with a healthcare organization. By learning about the industry's regulatory landscape, the organization's structure, and the challenges medical professionals face, you'll be better equipped to design and implement Salesforce solutions that cater to their specific needs. Key concept. Understand the importance of learning your customer's customs and practices to develop targeted Salesforce solutions that effectively address their needs. Best practice number 2. Schedule for success. Effective time management is a vital skill for any Salesforce business analyst. To schedule for success, you should prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency. Break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Allocate sufficient time for each task, considering potential roadblocks and distractions. Continuously evaluate your progress and adjust your schedule as needed. Real-world scenario. When implementing a new Salesforce feature for a client, you may face unexpected technical issues or changing requirements. You can ensure timely and successful project completion by proactively scheduling tasks, allocating buffer time, and adapting your schedule to accommodate these challenges. Key concept. Master time management and scheduling techniques to effectively balance competing priorities and ensure project success. Best practice number 3. Advocate for the customer. As a Salesforce business analyst, it's essential to advocate for your customers and champion their needs throughout the project lifecycle. To be a successful customer advocate, you should develop a deep understanding of your customers' goals and pain points. Communicate their needs clearly and effectively to your team and stakeholders. Ensure that customer requirements are prioritized and addressed in the solution design. Collect feedback from customers and use it to drive continuous improvement. Real-world scenario. When working on a project to improve a client's sales process, you discover their sales team struggles with manual data entry. As a customer advocate, you communicate this issue to your team, recommend integrating a Salesforce automation feature, and ensure it's prioritized in the project scope. Key concept. Embrace your role as a customer advocate by championing your customers' needs and ensuring they are addressed in the design and implementation of Salesforce solutions. Best practice number 4. Commit to the habit of improvement. Continuous improvement is a cornerstone of success for Salesforce business analysts. To commit to this habit, you should reflect on your performance, identifying areas for growth and development. Set SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound goals for improvement. Seek customer, team members, and stakeholders' feedback to gain insights into your strengths and weaknesses. Pursue ongoing learning opportunities such as training courses, webinars, and workshops to enhance your skills and stay up to date with industry trends. Real-world scenario. After completing a Salesforce implementation project, you receive feedback that your documentation could be more detailed and user-friendly. To commit to improvement, you set a SMART goal to enhance your documentation skills, attend a technical writing workshop, and incorporate the feedback into your next project. Key concept. Embrace the habit of continuous improvement by reflecting on your performance, setting goals for growth, and actively seeking opportunities to expand your knowledge and skills. That wraps up today's episode of the Salesforce BA Hub podcast. We hope you found these best practices insightful and valuable as you prepare for your Salesforce Business Analyst certification exam. By mastering and applying these principles in your role, you'll be well on your way to achieving success in your certification journey and beyond. Thanks for listening, and stay tuned for more episodes exploring the world of Salesforce business analysis. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast to keep up with the latest episodes. Good luck on your Salesforce Business Analyst certification journey.